Look, Doctora, oh, Charlotte is using her nebulizer. She's a very good girl. Wow. Like what Doctora said. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Open your mouth. Yeah. Doctora is very good, no? She taught Charlotte how to get rid of her cough. Very good girl. Look at that. Yes, use it properly, ate. Open your mouth, ate.
People may say bad things about you, but things never say bad things about yourself. I see someone who's ready to change.
Look at that very bright girl. Very smart. Ate.